Hi there, my name is Mark. I'm a physical therapist and owner at Praxis Physical Therapy. We just opened on May 1st here on 1616 North State Street. We're at Suite 101. So that's the building right there. We are next to Tim's Bike Shop here in Bellingham, Washington. So it's easy to find. From the freeway, you technically go on North State Street and then take a left here in this location. We are located next to Basecamp Fitness Gym. They're right next door, and they're a premier fitness studio in town. So we're inside Praxis Physical Therapy, and this is our gym. So we have everything that you need to rehab or do physical therapy related to your sport or your work. Over here, we have the functional trainer. We can do a ton of different things to maximize functional ability at home. We have medicine balls, we have foam rollers, we have some kettlebells, we have specific weight equipment for the athlete to retrain back into their daily activities or their sport. Again, we have a variety of weights that you could do. On this side, we have a variety of resistance bands to warm up or basically build the strength to get back into doing what you like to do. So as a benefit of being a patient at Praxis PT, we can access and use the gym space also at Basecamp Fitness Gym. I'll show you guys. So we get an extra 2,000 square feet of space that we can utilize for functional drills, strengthening exercises, a lot of things that anyone needs to get back to doing what they love the best. It's a great space, and we hope to see you guys soon.